Good morning, students. In this video, we learn about the special characters, and our special characters are, for example, greater than symbol. For greater than, you can use the escape sequence, and the escape sequence is ampersand G T G T. After that, you can write down terminator. You can say semicolon. If you want to write down less than symbol, then you can use the ampersand LT. After that, terminator again. If you want to write down quotes, you can say inverted commas, then you can use the ampersand Q U O T, then terminator. If you want to write down and sign, ampersand sign, then you can use the ampersand A M P, then terminator. If you want to give the space between the two characters, between two words, then you can use the ampersand N B S P, terminator. For example, we want to write down our Geomin biodata name, and after name you can give the space between the name, and then you can write down here ampersand N B S P, terminator. If you want more space, then you can again use ampersand N B S P. If you want more space between the name, then you can again write down here ampersand N B S P, terminator. For example, my name is Renu, so you can now write here your name RENU. Clear, everyone? So these all are your special character: greater than, less than, quotes, ampersand, and blank space. And for blank space, you can use the ampersand and BSP. So let's do the practical of this. Let's start. Open your notepad first. And after that you can write down, for example, we want to write here A greater than B. For example, we want to write down here A greater than B. So you can just write down A ampersand sign. For greater than we use GT, terminator B. If we want to write down A less than B, then you can write down A ampersand LT, terminator B. If we want to write down A between the quotes, A between the inverted commas, then you can use the ampersand QUOT, terminator. Now write down your text. My text is, for example, A, B, C, anything. And then you can again write down, to close the quotes here, ampersand QUOT, terminator. And if you want to put and sign, ampersand sign, then you can use the A. For example, we want to write down A and B, so you just write down A, then you can use the ampersand AMP, terminator B. And if you want to give the space between the A and B, like name and your name, so you can for example, you can take one example here, name, then you can write down ampersand NBSP, terminator. We want more space, then you can again use NBSP. We want more space, then you can again use NBSP. You can again use here NBSP. If you want more space, then you can use again NBSP terminator here. And after that, you can write down any name. For example, my name is Renu. So you can save this file, minimize your notepad, open your browser here, and after open browser, you can refresh here and you can see the output. Our output in same line. So if you want to move your text in the next line, then you can use the BR tag. We have already discussed about the BR tag. We write here BR tag for every line so we can clearly understand our special characters implementation. Then you can again write here your BR tag, and BR is your empty tag, so no need to close your BR tag. So again you can write down here BR. So let's see the output. Save is, and you can open your browser here, minimize your notepad and open your browser here and refresh your file, and you can see here your special characters implementation: a greater than b, a less than b, a between the quotes, a and b, and blank spaces. If you want this blank space, then you can use the ampersand and BSP. If you want ampersand sign, then you can use the ampersand AMP terminator. If you want quotes, then you can first write down ampersand QUOT terminator, then write down text, then again ampersand QUOT quote for close the quotation. And same, if you want to write down the less than, then you can use the ampersand LT terminator, and if you want to write down the greater than, then you can use the ampersand GT. Here our special characters are completed. In next video we are discussed about the list, how to create a list in HTML. For today's, thank you.